easy to work on. Not a whole lot can break that can't be fixed pretty easy. And I've seen them with well over 100,000 miles on them. Still running good. Kind of cheap too. Traded an old Jeep Wrangler for this one. But if you're in the market to buy one, electric glide like this, the Evo motor, I'm gonna guess you can find one for $5,000 somewhere. Even less if it needs a little bit of work. It's not bad. It's a lot better than paying 30 grand for a brand new one. What this bike's about. This is comfort. Very comfortable. Just got rid of a newer Road King 2000. Well, it's newer to me. 2000 Road King. About a year ago. It was a lot cleaner than this bike, a lot less miles, but it wasn't nowhere near as comfortable. I like this one better. It already has scratches. If I get a scratch or a dent in this one, I'm not really going to care. I'm not trying to, but it's not going to break my heart the way scratch or dent would have really hurt if I would have did it to my other one. But you know, you get something used, you don't have a lot of money in it, it's already got a couple scratches. That's the way to go. Just ride it around and have fun. If it gets rained on, it gets dirty, so what? If you accidentally drop your helmet on it, puts a scratch or dent in it, you know, that sucks, but no big deal really. Just adds character. Guess I better pause the video so my son doesn't get embarrassed.